There was a question on the community recently about enabling the email notifications on next gen projects. So I was going through some of the questions and I received this question called can I configure email notifications from next gen projects? So this question is asked by Randy, and he's saying that when I create a task from next gen project, assignee is not getting notification. How can I resolve this issue? Well, on the next gen project, there is no such feature to configure the email notifications. There is already this feature request on Atlassian Jira Software Cloud project where you can of course monitor it, but this is something that you still can't do on the next gen project. If you let us say take a look at your next gen project on the cloud, you can go to the project settings, and usually when you're working on your Jira projects, you have something called as notification schemes, and with the help of notification schemes you can configure a lot of things. For different events, and those events are of course triggered by things that you do on your Jira issue. You can of course decide to send an email to someone, some notification, and it's a really good thing. You want to send an email to someone, or at least the people who are involved on that particular issue, or you want them to be involved. And emails are still quite important. People use emails even in 2020, and emails are not going anywhere. So this is something that you still can't do on the next gen project. If you look at this feature request, it is in progress, and I believe, or I guess, Atlassian will probably do something about it. So this is all I wanted to share in this video, and I hope you enjoyed and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.